Well, with 2 games left to go in the Women's Hockey League, Strathmore Scorpions beat USIU 4-2 to be crowned champions of the league. Strathmore have had a good run this season, beating all the teams except the Lakers. Well, Trailblazers, a volleyball team, have lost their vice captain, Mombasa Omondi Cialo. Cialo has a 6-month contract with Erbil in Iraq. The young man has left the country and he tops up as number 6 among all the volleyballers, professional volleyballers who have left this country to play the trade out there.
Hello, I'm Cialo Moses Omondi, an opposite player from Trailblazers Volleyball Club. I'm excited going to play volleyball, professional volleyball in Iraq. I think I'm up to the task and I'm ready to grab the opportunity, and then I'll give it my all. Yes, I'm joining Erbil Volleyball Club in Iraq. It's a big team. Actually, it plays in the Asian Club Championship. It will be a good experience for me. I'm ready for the challenge. I've not played in Iraq before, but I'm excited. I'm glad that I'm going to play in Iraq. I played professional volleyball in Rwanda in 2018-2019, where I won the Rwandese League. Before then, I went for trials in Japan, and I'm lucky that I've gotten an opportunity again this time around to go play in Iraq.
Concerned about your security?
Yes, I'm concerned about my security. As people say that Iraq is not safe, but then security begins with me, just like here back at home. Once I get to Iraq, I think I'll be there doing my duties, playing volleyball, training. One amount of training, I should be at home, because basically that's what I do back here at home. Yeah. So I'm not going to change my schedule. I would love to encourage the young ones who are playing volleyball. I would like to encourage them to build their social media accounts. Let them start posting their videos, let them create their websites. So let them market themselves so that when opportunity comes, they'll grab them. So it's all about creating your image, it's all about marketing yourself and working hard towards achieving your goals. Yeah.
Well, a team of 42 Kenyans left for